Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a social media calendar with Hootsuite beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Content tab located in the left sidebar. Select Planner from the drop-down menu. You will see a calendar layout displaying scheduled posts. To create a new post, click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose the social media account you want to schedule your post for. Now, craft your post in the text box provided. You can also add images or links by clicking on the respective icons. Next, decide when you want the post to go live. Select a date and time using the scheduling tools. After setting the date and time, click Schedule to confirm. To view all scheduled posts, return to the calendar view. Consider color-coding different types of content for easy organization. You can do this by editing the post settings before scheduling. Next, set recurring posts if you plan to share similar content frequently. Click on the More Options link in the scheduling window. Enable the repeat feature and set your desired frequency. As you build your calendar, review it regularly for adjustments. Make sure to include key dates and events relevant to your audience. Use analytics to plan your calendar based on past post performance. Analyze which times and types of content generate the most engagement. Finally, stay flexible, be prepared to adapt your calendar as needed. With practice, creating a social media calendar in Hootsuite will become second nature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.